Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I would like to show you Deron's haul. I went to the Monday library yarns where the ladies of the town, well, not like everybody, but there's, I don't know, I think there's been like a dozen. There's usually about 8 to 10 that come, and we crochet and cross stitch. Sometimes I do hand sewing for my dolls. People knit. It's really fun. That was my Yorkie, you just can't see her. While I went there, I had told Deron I didn't need to go to Walmart, so if he wanted to run and get some stuff, he could. He dropped me off. It's an hour and 15 minutes. We usually go together. He checks out the grocery stores and stuff, finds sales. Well, I went to Walmart and I got photos in my text messages that Rainbow High dolls were on sale. Did I want any? Yeah. But Walmart, our Walmart, has not had the good prices that they have had. In fact, some of them were exactly the same. The Shadow High were the exact same with a clearance tag on it that said savings 0. Anyway, so look what I did get. Isn't she gorgeous? I love this Robert Sterling, and mostly I love her clothing.
Robin.
What did I say?
Robert.
Yeah, well,
Thinking about your Blythe doll.
yes, Robin. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, those clothes. The clothes are worth the price that they were originally asking, but I wouldn't pay it. And he just grabbed me some dolls. He went through them all, looked for the good ones, asked me, are you sure you only want one? Can I get more? Look at this. Look at the price. I do not have one of Haley open, and I have been wanting one. Did I get her name right? I have this doll, Margot, but I do not have one of her in the box. So I was really, really thrilled. My Rainbow High collection, I have dolls out of the box, and then I have 1 or 2 left in the box. I'm a speculator. And for $11, you bet, get 2. So now I have 2 in the box, and I'll have 1 out. I love that doll, and I love a blue-haired doll. I don't know why. Lately, it's been blue-haired dolls. You should see all the Blythes I have with blue hair. Here's one I did not have, and I've been hoping that she would go on sale. And I think I got 2 of these also. $12. The clothing is worth more. I will admit that. The clothing, if you were to try to buy this on Etsy, and it is made well. The Rainbow High clothing, the LOL clothing, really made well. And this is a play line. You don't really expect that, and yes, I got 2. How cool is that? If I wanted to open one of these, I could. In fact, when Deron picked me up and I was looking in the back seat at it all, he's like, and we can go back and get more and see if they had anything else. Wait, do you see what he got? Katie. Oh, God, this is so cute. Katie is our 6-pound Yorkshire Terrier, and they had costumes on sale, and they had extra smalls. What did you say these were? Oh, they were $2.50. $2.50. How cute is that? She's been going to Renaissance fairs with us, and a lot of times dogs dress up for the Renaissance fair. I think Katie's going to. I'll have to cut holes in the hoods and stuff, because most of the time these do not have the holes for ears, and I don't want to crush your ears. Now look at the spider. Oh my God, is that the cutest thing? 8 legs. Woohoo. And look at this little cowboy. Oh, how cute. How cute is my dog gonna be? Oh my God. The hat's a little squished. I don't care. Again, I'm gonna put, let me turn it around so you can see the front, so that I can put holes in it, so I don't care about the one. And what's this one? Oh, a little pirate.
Nope.
Yeah,
Ninja.
Sorry, Ninja. And people do dress like ninjas at the Ren fairs. So, oh my God, she's just a little doll anyway. She's going to be so cute in these. Wait till you see the here. She's talking about it. And then, pirate. How stinking cute is that? So I got a haul and Katie got a haul and there's more. We saw two little miniature foxhounds. Oh. They were perfect. If you know the standard of the breed for the miniature foxhound, they were perfect. They were related, but not brother-sister, and they were not litter mates. And they had on the cutest little dragon outfits. So Deron got Katie a little, is this dinosaur? This is dinosaur, but we're gonna make her some wings to go on this and change it to, try and turn it around so you can see it. Change it to a dragon, especially if we go to the Dragon Fest again this year. And there's more. God love my husband. He knows how much I enjoy customs on these Blythe dolls. And how much are these each?
75 cents or $1, depends.
75 cents and $1. Can you see the sparkle on these false eyelashes? When you use these for Blythe dolls, that does $2. You cut those right in half and put those inside the eyelashes. Look at these. Oh God, look at these. Blue with sparkle. I hope this is that showing up? Love it. The farmer's pulling in next door. And then we have red. How cool is that? These would be really cute on a clown. Look at these. They're called spiky, but to me, they look feathered. I really like these. Thank you, Deron. Katie and I had so much fun. And in the meantime, I was with the ladies gossiping and solving the world's problems. What a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.